welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is my first video on my YouTube channel. And guys, I've had a YouTube channel before, but it got deleted because my brother did that. And yeah, so I'm gonna be getting, I'm gonna do a get ready with me to go to camping. I know it's not like, I know you're like, don't put makeup on or anything. I'm not putting on makeup. I'm just putting on some skincare because, girl, I haven't done skincare in such a while, and you can tell. So here we go. Let's get right into it. Okay, I wouldn't let start before you guys have to like and subscribe. Not forcing, but just that you know I have one subscriber. But it's okay. Just go with the flow of whatever you want to do, okay? So now let's actually get started. Okay, so first we're gonna do my skincare. And guys, I know you're like, use a skincare headband, but I lost mine. So I'm just gonna go right in. And don't mind my hair, I haven't brushed it yet. Yeah. So first, we are going to use my Drunk Elephant Jelly Cleanser, and then I'm gonna get a towel real quick. I'll be right back. So I have this and I have my towel. And yeah, on the last part I just did, that's a little weird. But so I'm gonna put some of this on. Oh, it's not even opened yet. I'm gonna use the one that's opened. I have two of these. The other one I used because once I had like a party. Okay, yeah, this one. Let's see. Oh gosh. So today's a Sunday, but we're taking up my camper because next week is when we're going camping. Yeah, just gonna put this on my face. But I think you're supposed to wet it before. I'm pretty sure you do, but it's okay. It's okay. Guys, whenever I was 5, I had not this, but I had the bubble skincare, and I didn't wash it off, and then my skin always got irritated. So yeah, and then I did that with my mom, and yeah. Guys, this towel looks a little dirty. It's fine. As long as I get it all. Okay. Let me just dry it off now. Okay. Let me put this back in the drawer. Guys, I'm so excited for Easter. Easter is one of my favorite holidays. So now we're gonna do the rescue spray. And then we're also gonna use some brightening serum. Let's go. My face feels a little sticky. Okay. I love this Ardent 28 spray, but it smells like chlorine. Now I'm gonna do some brightening serum. Guys, on my last YouTube channel, everyone loved when I did Get Ready With Me, so doing that again. Guys, shout out to your bestie Laundry. She's so nice to me. We met on Just to Impress. We met on Just to Impress, and then I subscribed to her channel, and then I comment on like all of her videos. And we're the same age, so that's really cool. Oh, so much. I forgot to say, doing the Ordinary. I only use a little bit, and then I only use a little bit. I know this doesn't look like a little bit, but on camera it makes it look like a lot, but it was barely any. And then I only use it once in a while. I lost all my skincare because I've had so many birthdays. Don't mind the background, guys. That's very messy. Don't mind that. And so I've had so many birthday parties, and I pack on my skincare, and then I forget about it. So yeah, I'm gonna see if this needs refilled yet. No, that is so full. didn't happen. Guys, last night I went to my friend's house and we did lots of dances, and then I did tinsel on my I did tinsel. Don't mind my mom in the background. One sec. Okay, so don't mind my mom in the background. She's gonna be talking. We have to pack all our stuff today to go camping. But yeah. Oh, back to what I was saying. So I was doing tinsel last night. If you don't know what that is, it's like the sparkly stuff in your hair. And I did some of myself before I left to go there. But when I got there, I did a few. I did like 3 on everyone. And then on the second to last person I did it, the thing I had to use, it broke. So yeah, that's a little sad, but it's okay, it's okay. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna use the Say glowy thing, and that's all the makeup. Well, this just makes me glowy. Can I have a look of what I even have in here? I don't know. Oh guys, comment down below if you love to do your nails. I always love to like do acrylics on myself. Probably I'm a little feisty. I think I should lock the door so my brother doesn't come in. Yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Don't mind the fit, it doesn't match. Don't mind right there, it looks so bad. But that's okay because guys, it's okay. So now I'm just gonna put a little thing on my lip because guys, my lips are not vibing. So now I'm going to take you over here so I can do a transition on me getting dressed. Okay, so I'm going to do a little transition. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to do a handstand, and then I'm going to be in my clothes, okay? So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm dressed. Let's see. OOTD. We got the Abercrombie and Fitch. We got this Nashville shirt, I think it's from Amazon. We got Abercrombie and Fitch. Again, it's like a set. They look wrinkled, but it's okay. And then, socks I'm gonna be wearing Nike socks. So yeah, so now I'm gonna do a little transition. And I'm gonna put this necklace on. Okay, so I have it on, really cute. I'm gonna push it up a little, pull it up, and there we go. So now, do a little hair transition. Okay guys, so I did my hair. I have 2 clips in, 1 pieces. Then I did a braid. It's not the best braid, but honestly I don't care. So next I'm gonna take it over here and I'm literally leaving in like 5 minutes. So we're gonna do some perfume and lip gloss and then we'll be done. Because girls, look at my teeth, but not my teeth. Look at my lips, they're so chapped. So first we're gonna do perfume. And I think I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, definitely. It's giving off spring vibes. Okay, there we go. And now let's do, I don't even know. I think I'm gonna do the lemon. Sorry if it is, I don't even know what's on it. No idea. I also have the pink sugar one. I might do that one too. I lost the lid to it. Well, actually, my brother did. So yeah. This and Perfect. Hand sanitizer. Okay, guys, that is my get ready with me. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Bye.